Hello children, how are you? Might be safe at home? Today in this online session, I am again back with fourth part of how do organisms reproduce of 10th standard. Today we will discuss about human reproduction, main reproductive organs, function of sex hormones, male reproductive system and female reproductive system. So let us see one by one. Human reproductive system is highly evolved and it is functional after certain age, that is during puberty phase. It varies in male and female. In male, puberty is at the age of 13 to 14 years and in female, puberty is at the age of 10 to 12 years. So, female mature earlier than male. Next topic is about reproductive organs in humans. Testes and ovaries are the main reproductive organs of human, female and male. So let us study about these two one by one. Testis is the male reproductive organ and two in number. Testes are responsible for producing sperms, that is male gamete, and also responsible for producing male sex hormone testosterone. Ovary is the female reproductive organ and also two in number. Ovary are responsible for producing female gametes, that is ovum or egg, and also female sex hormones, that is estrogen and progesterone. Let us see what are the function of these male and female sex hormones. Hormones are responsible for formation of gametes and also helps in maintaining the secondary sexual characters in male and female. There are so many secondary sexual characters in male and female. For example, in male, change in the pitch of voice, and in female, development of mammary gland. This you all have studied in class 8th in the chapter Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Now let us see about male reproductive system. The male reproductive organ is a pair of testes. Testes are located outside the abdominal cavity in a muscular bag or sac-like structure called as scrotum. The function of a scrotum is to provide an optimum temperature for the formation of sperms, that is 1 to 3 degrees Celsius lower than the body temperature. The function of testes is to produce sperms as well as male sex hormone testosterone. The sperms formed in the testes come out and go into a coiled tube-like structure called epididymis. Here the sperm is stored temporarily. From epididymis, the sperm passes to a long tube-like structure called vas deferens or sperm duct. From sperm duct, the sperm passes out into seminal vesicles and then to urethra. Urethra then carries the sperm to penis, which is the copulatory organ, and opens outside the body. Through this organ, the sperm is released into the body of the female. The sperms are carried in a liquid called semen, that is also called reproductive fluid. It provides nutrition for the sperms. There is only one opening for urine and sperms. This Given figure is about male reproductive system. You may observe the location of different organs of male reproductive system. This figure also shows about the front view of male reproductive system. Now let us see about the last topic of today's session, that is about female reproductive system. The main female reproductive organs are a pair of ovary, fallopian tube, uterus and vagina. The ovaries are also located in the abdominal cavity near the kidney. Ovary helps in production of ovum and female sex hormone, that is estrogen and progesterone. Progesterone is responsible for holding the pregnancy and estrogen is responsible for secondary sexual character in female. In female, each ovary is made up of several thousand follicles called unripe eggs. At puberty stage, these follicles mature and they converted into ova. Above the ovaries, oviduct, also called as fallopian tubes, are present. It is the site of fertilization of male and female gamete. So where the fertilization is taking place? Fertilization is taking place in the fallopian tube. Fallopian tube further opens into a muscular bag-like structure called uterus, also called as mother's womb. It is called as site of development of baby, as here the baby grows. As in the wall of uterus, the fertilized egg after several division get attached. Uterus opens into vagina. This is called birth canal. In case of female, unlike male, urinary opening and vaginal opening are different. Through the vaginal opening, childbirth takes place. This is the diagram of female reproductive system showing all the organs, that is ovary, fallopian tube, uterus and vagina. This is also about the front view of female reproductive system showing all the organs of female reproductive system. So children, this is all about today's session. In the next session, we will be discuss the fifth part of this lesson. Thank you and have a nice day. For any kind of doubts, please write your questions in comment section.